Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to the channel in another video. Right, we're going to carry on where we left off, trying to get these snap water pump bolts out of the block. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Go and watch the other videos. Got myself a new toy for the workshop, laser stud remover set. Nice looking little bit of kit. No affiliation, I'm not sponsored by them yet. I wish. Oh, yes. Oh yes, that one was a little bit more of a pig to get out. So you, my friend, are going to sleep with the fishes. Ah, that was satisfying. Right, while I'm out, I'll pop down my dad's house and I'm going to steal a few parts of this old girl. Damn it, I forgot the bonnet release was snapped. Right, cracking bit of kit that. I'll let you know about the longevity of it once I try it on a few other things, but did the job spot on. That. Loving that, like. Being at my dad's, I borrowed off my other Viva, the alternator, but it sounds a bit rough. I also took some bolts out of the manifold because I need some and can't find any anywhere. But I also got the important bits. I got 2 bolts out of the water pump. Borrowed them, the 2 bolts that I snapped. So let's clean her up and put on the new water pump. Right, new gasket, she's cleaned up, let's get it on. Right, that's a nice new water pump on. And I've got that soaking to get the thermostat housing off. They're a bit jammed. I'm going to get that off, check the condition of the thermostat, or I might even try and just order a new one. Right, that's the water pump on. For the next job, I'm going to push her outside, jack her up, and take off the calipers ready for the rebuild. And then I'm going to take a bath, light some candles, ask Alexa to play some Michael Bolton. Look at that on there. Not that I'm using the tyre, like it's been on over 30 year old Michelin tyre. Right, I'm going to clamp off the brake line because somebody had filled it up with fluid. And then I'm going to attempt to get this old caliper off. Right, I need to loosen off the brake line. Take out these two split pins here. Slide them out. Take out the anti-squeal shims. Take out the brake pads. And then, can you see that? I think there's two bolts that hold it to the hub. There and there. Them two bolts on the back of the caliper, at least on this one, are 5/8. There's the caliper and pads out. Isn't it great when nothing snaps or rounds off? Well, not yet. I've still got to take that bleed nipple out of there and take the caliper apart. But that's a job for another day. Right. Repeat with the other side. Right, clamped off the brake line because someone filled it up with brake fluid. Need an 11mm spanner to take out the brake ferrule. Two split pins holding the brake pads and shims. And two 5/8 bolts holding the caliper to the hub. Let's whip them off. So there's both lots of calipers out, pads, squeal shims, pins. I also got the housing of the thermostat off. That needs a good clean, and that thermostat is stuck in there. I don't want to go trying to prise it out of there yet. I'm going to see how easy it is to get a hold of one. Would have been cheaper me to reuse these pads. There's a canny bit of meat on them. And if anyone can help, see the fan there? I'm going to try and get a hold of a left-handed thread stud. I've been told for it, but I need some sort of washer, like a step that goes on before it, like a spacer with a lip on it. to go in there and then outward. I don't know if I'll be able to like pack it up with washers and then put a larger washer on the outside. But does anyone know anyone who's had a Viva or anything, or do they know if they used to use these fans on the Bedford CFs? And can you get a hold of these anywhere? Drop us a message if you do. Thank you very much. Well, that was fun. I love it when things go to plan. I've already ordered a rebuild kit for the brake pads, for the brake calipers, sorry. And I'm going to go have a look online to see how easy it is to get a hold of the thermostats. And if anyone knows anything about the fan spacer thing, drop us a message and let us know. I'm going to have to get the old girl in because it's starting to rain again. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm there.
Good guess. What's that?
A pumper.
A pumper?
New battery.
That's a battery, that's right. How can we be lovers if we can't be friends?
Behind your frozen eyes, skies ahead and laughter.